This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the environment. Back up the Pojavlauncher folder and copy Log.txt immediately so changes are reversible. Next, verify Forge and Java versions. Mismatches cause the most errors, and note their exact numbers. Once done, enable developer logs in Pojav settings and grant storage permission so you can open files. This first pass prevents data loss and gives you the diagnostic detail you need to proceed efficiently into targeted fixes. You now dive into the log, scan for exception caused by and no class def found error to locate root traces. Once identified, map the stack trace to specific mods or libraries and disable the suspect mod by moving it out of the mods folder. Then replace or update incompatible libraries, core mods, performance mods, or Java runtime files to versions that match Forge. Make one change at a time. After each change, restart Pojavlauncher and recheck Log.txt so you can isolate the exact cause. You finish by cleaning caches and temporary files, then run the game to generate a fresh, concise Log.txt for verification. If errors persist, create a minimal profile, Forge plus a single mod, and incrementally add mods until the issue returns, isolating the offender. Make sure to retain your original backup so you can revert quickly. If the log worsens after a change, undo that step immediately. This disciplined approach gets you back to stable gameplay with a clear recovery path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.